Oh, sorry about that, guys. This is part two. But here's the rear rotor. So it's a little rust in here, so it's not really a big deal for me. So, but besides that, that's the rears. And let's check out the brake pads. These are for the rear. And these are the fronts. So for the price, you can't beat. So, and never had an issue with these brakes before. And here's the shoes. Didn't come with any hardware, but it's fine. I'll just order those two at the parts. So, yeah, guys. If you have any questions or concerns about R1 concepts, let me know. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think. If you want to know if I like these brakes, I do like these brakes. I recommend them for people that are just on a tight budget. These are just the basic one they have, and I'm gonna get the premium package for the Tiburon. So I'm gonna be ordering that after I'm done doing the turbo kit on it. So I'm gonna be replacing the front rotors with the Hyundai XG 350 2005 front calipers, and I'm gonna be ordering those brake pads and rotors for that, and just to get slider rotors all the way around with the premium from R1. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day and stay safe.